Let's move on to another story that we're tracking closely. Bollywood filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has broken his silence after an actress accused him of sexual harassment. In a series of tweets, Anurag rubbished the allegations. He asked why it took so long for people to try and silence him. He also took a jibe at Kangana, saying that she dragged several other women despite being a woman herself. He further added that this is just the beginning of the attacks that he will face. This comes after an actress accused Kashyap of forcing himself on her. She also tagged the PMO India for help and also cited a risk to her safety. After the actress's tweet, Kangana Ranaut also took to Twitter and demanded the arrest of Anurag Kashyap. The National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, asked the actress to file an official complaint, after which this case will be taken forward. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, just break down for us what are the allegations that Anurag Kashyap faces and now his rebuttal on Twitter.
Well, yes, the first allegations which have been made initially are likely of sexual harassment, which she said was done during the times when she had asked and approached Anurag Kashyap for work. But instead of being professional, he had told her a lot of things. She has also, in fact, went on to make allegations that she is suspicious that when once she went to his house, he was smoking some kind of narcotics. So, and the other problem is that she was told by the industry insiders to stay quiet so that her career is not hampered. But she has finally broken her silence, and Anurag Kashyap, who's basically it's a big trouble for him because he is a person who is very much active on social issues, on social media, and gives his opinion on a lot of things. And hence, now once Payal Ghosh files a police complaint, official police complaint, the initial investigations in this case will start, and then the police will start basically getting all the evidence in this regard. What we can say at this point of time is that the allegations which have been made by Payal Ghosh are serious in nature, and looks like Mumbai police will start investigation as soon as they receive an official complaint from Payal Ghosh. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.